Good morning. Today we're going to take a look at the Skyzone Fat Shark module adapter. Let's open it. So we have the adapter and a Velcro pad for attaching it to your goggles. So what it does is it allows you to use your Fat Shark module with your Skyzone goggles. So you have a module bay here. And then let's remove this. And then you have this cable here. There's an AV connector so that you can feed the video out from the adapter to the goggles. And then you have this power connector, which allows you to daisy chain the power supply to the adapter and then to the goggles. So let's try it with the module. I have here my Furious FPV True D. So you just insert it here. Like that. And then let's connect the power supply. And there it is. So what you do is you have your goggles here. Just install it like this, or on the other side. So now we connect the power and then the AV connector. Let's power on a whoop. And there's the image. And that's it for my unboxing and overview of the Skyzone Fat Shark module adapter. It's a simple device, but it provides a clean and neat solution to adding an external module to your goggles. Thank you for watching.